Okay, I'm gonna need you guys to bear with me, but I have an idea for a way for us to spice up your rotations or how your students engage in independent work so that you can pull your small groups during or after your whole group instruction. Okay, Minecraft. All the kids are loving it. Let's not deny it. If it has Minecraft in the title of your lesson, they're all about it. Okay, so here's my idea. I'm creating a learning path using Minecraft, what they call NPCs or non-player characters. Those of you guys, I'm not part of the gaming world. I only know that because my son says it all the time. So here's how it works. Okay, if you want me to build a world for you and model it, let me know. But here's how quick it could be. One thing you got to know is in Minecraft there are commands, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the world builder command, which makes me able to build worlds. So I'm going to press T on my keyboard, and then down here I'm just going to click and do backslash WB for world builder, and then I'm going to hit this little call out over here, and now world builder is turned on. What that enables me to do is I can do some things that you normally can't do in normal creative mode. Okay, so I'm going to click E for my equipment, and I can just go up here and search for NPC. Everything is spawned or created from an egg in Minecraft. So I'm going to click and drag that down to my inventory down here, and I can exit out. Okay, I'm going to make sure that I have my egg highlighted down there, and I'm just going to right click to place an NPC. Look, NPC. There it is. So now if I right click on them again, I get the editing menu. I can click right here where the name is. And with your names, you can be creative and create characters within your classroom that always have certain tasks. Like maybe there's Mandy the mathematician or Sally the scientist, whatever. Okay, it could be related to what type of task the students choose to engage in. You can give them choice, or you can just say label them first task. It's up to you. And then you can click on edit dialogue, and you can type right in here their instructions. Okay, that's neat. I'm going to hit this X right here. You can change the character. There's all these characters. You can keep going. If there's a character that fits your theme, you can choose that character. And then what I'm going to use to create my learning path is I'm going to use the advanced settings. So I'm going to click advanced settings. Okay, I need to navigate to my Google Classroom now because I'm going to put a direct link to a Google Classroom assignment. So I have to hit my escape key. Okay, actually, let me exit out there, and then I'm going to hit escape. And now I can minimize this, go into my Google Classroom, go into my classwork. I'm going to click on the three dots next to the assignment I want to attach to that NPC. I'm going to copy the link. Okay, I have that link copied. I can now go back to my Minecraft world. Resume my game, and I'm going to right click back on there, and now I can go back to advanced settings. I'm going to click add URL. Okay, right here, I'm going to click. You'll notice it won't let you right click and paste, but what you can do is just hold down Control and V, which is the shortcut for pasting, and then you can click down here, and it's going to create a button for that link, and you can just label it whatever you want to label it. Okay, you're going to add the URL. You're done. Okay, I'm going to click out of that, and then there it is. Now, if I click on him again in World Builder, it's going to destroy him. So, like, just if I click right there, he's going to go away. So, I don't want to blow him up. So I'm going to click T and do backslash WB and hit my little call out there. And now I'm no longer in World Builder. And so now when I click on him, this is what students would see when they engage in your world. There's their instructions. Here is the assignment right there. And when I click on it, it's going to direct them right into that Google Classroom assignment. It takes them straight to the directions page where all the resources you put in that Google Classroom are going to be right there for them. It takes them right there. And so then students can complete the work, click back to the Minecraft world. They completed this task, they can close, and then they're just going to travel to the next NPC that you put out there for them. Okay, and you can put as many as you want for your rotations or your independent work, whether it's 4, Three, if you wanted to create a world that is a template, and you can create multiple copies of worlds, you can create templates, and that way there's the same NPCs that represent your math science review or whatever, and you're just going to add the links each time to your Google Classroom. So you don't have to think of this as a way of having to create a world every time. You can create one world that has 3 to 5 NPCs, however many you like to have in your rotation or your independent work. And then you just simply go in and edit your NPCs and put new Google Classroom links to the assignments. And it's going to be a fun, engaging way. You already have the early finisher activity there, because what you can do is say, hey, students, once you're done and you've interacted with all the NPCs and completed all the tasks, you can start creating and building within your Minecraft world. And they're going to go nuts. They're going to love to finish their work so that they can then have time to interact with their Minecraft world and create on their own. Let me know if you want me to model or demonstrate this in your classroom, or help you create your own. Uh, and we can really work to engage these students during the last quarter, and maybe find out something we'd like to implement next year.